Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Head Chef Mom. I'm Kendall Lawrence and I'm just so happy that you're here again with me today. I'm headed out, but I wanted to take a couple of minutes and let you know what we were going to do today. Today we're going to do a one pot easy meal in the oven, all in one pan. We're going to do some sausage, peppers, onions, and potatoes roasted in the oven. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be quick. It's going to be easy cleanup, everything. Wonderful. Come on in and let's take a look at our ingredients. So here are the ingredients for our roasted sausage, peppers, onions, and potatoes. So I have some red potatoes that I've cut up into nice sized chunks. I have some garlic that I simply smashed. I didn't mince it or slice it or anything. I have a mix of all-purpose seasoning, garlic and onion powder, and black pepper here. I have some dried rosemary. I have a red onion, two medium-sized red onions that I've quartered, and one large yellow onion that I've quartered. I have two green bell peppers that I've cut into large chunks, and two red bell peppers, two green and two red. I hope I said that right. Bell peppers that I've cut into large chunks. And I wanted all of this to be about the same size so that it kind of cooks evenly. And here I have two 1 pound packages of Italian sausage links, one hot and one mild. So let's go ahead and start putting this together. Okay, so I left one thing off my list of ingredients, and that would be the olive oil, and the list of ingredients will be included in the description box. So I've started putting everything together. So in my 12.1 inch cast iron skillet here, I've added my onions, my peppers, and some potatoes. Now I have a lot of ingredients, so I've got a second skillet out here, a smaller one. I think this is a 10 inch or something like that. So anyway, I've added my onion, my peppers, and my potatoes. I'm going to add half my garlic. I had about 7 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to add half that, and I'm just going to throw it in. This is the smashed up garlic. I didn't mince it or slice it or anything like that. I'm going to add some of my seasoning mix here. And I'm going to add my dried rosemary. And then I'm going to coat everything with olive oil. And I've got my oven preheating at 450. And after I put everything in my second pan over there, I'm going to put everything in the oven on 450. And I'm going to let it cook for about 35 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll get the sausage going. So my vegetables have been in the oven on 450 for about a half an hour now, and I have taken my sausage and I've cut the links up into thirds, and I have purposely separated my hot from my mild because I am cooking 2 pans. I want to make sure that I get a little bit of hot and a little bit of mild in each pan. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, nestle pieces of sausage in the pans and until I get them all evenly distributed around, get my even amounts of hot and mild in each pan, and then I'm going to put this back in the oven for until the sausage is cooked all the way through, maybe 25 or 30 minutes, another 25 or 30 minutes on 450 again, and then we'll be back. We'll be done. So here are my roasted sausage, potatoes, peppers, and onions, and they look roasted up perfectly. It smells heavenly. I'm so ready to give it a try. I love roasted veggies. Let's try the veggies first. I can eat like a whole roasted onion. I really do believe, like an apple. Let's get some onion and some pepper. Nobody's eating this but my family and I, so I can double dip. That onion tastes so sweet. It amazes me how sweet red peppers are when you roast them. Let's get some potato here, and I'm going to try to get a little bit of let me just do some potato. Tender potato. That potato's cooked perfectly. Get some sausage. Oh, wonderful, guys. This is wonderful. And now I got a piece of that hot, spicy sausage. And guys, this was the second time I put it in the oven. It was in the oven for just about 20 minutes. still on 450, and everything is roasted up absolutely perfectly. So this was about 55 minutes, and this is essentially a one-pot meal. I decided to do it into 2 pans because I wanted to use my cast iron skillets, and B, I had a whole lot of I had a large amount of stuff, you know, so you could do this all in one pan and still feed everybody nicely in your house. You can also do this. You don't have to do it on a cast iron skillet. You can do it in a 9x13 pan. Okay. So don't think you have to do this in skillets. Okay. Guys, I appreciate you being here with me today. Please comment, like, subscribe, share, and go feed your family. I love you guys. Bye-bye.